We are going to see the top trending technologies of 2021. These are the top 10 trending technologies in 2021. First is the 5G technology, followed by Internet of Behaviors, Development Security Operations, Intelligent Process Automation, Tactile Virtual Reality, Big Data Analysis, Human Augmentation, Everything as a Service, Cyber Security, and Artificial Intelligence. First is we see about the 5G technology, which is the next generation of cellular networks and services. It is expected to provide at least 20 gigabytes per second downlink and 10 Gbps uplink, which will make this 5G to be at least 40 times faster than the current 4G LTE, which is the wireless broadband communication standard. And this will open doors for new services, network operations, and customer experience for telecom operators. And the current market is led by Swiss, followed by South Korea and the US. Second is the Internet of Behaviors. This Internet of Behavior is the extension of Internet of Things. We already know Internet of Things is a network of interconnected physical objects from smartphones to cars, fitness watches, credit cards, or can say anything that connects to the internet that gathers data from the user's online activity. This is what the Internet of Things means. But this IOB refers to a relatively new and growing concept that attempts to understand the data gathered from the user's online activity from a behavioral psychology perspective. So the concept seeks to address the new issue of how to properly understand the data that is gathered by the Internet of Things and how to apply that understanding to create new markets, create and market new products from a human psychology perspective. Companies investing in this IOB are Cisco, SAP, Microsoft, etc. Next is the DevSecOps, which is the short form for Development, Security, and Operations. We already know that DevOps is in the market, which is formed, it's the word formed by the words development and operations and signifies a cultural shift that bridges the gap between development and operations team of software development so that they can build, test, and release the software faster in an automated way and more reliably. And what is the DevSecOps means? It's the goal is to incorporate security in all stages of software development workflow. And with a wider adoption of microservices, which is the term where an application, which is an approach where an application is broken down into its core functions, and each function is called a service and can be built and deployed independently. With this adoption of microservices, DevSecOps seems to find its way deeper in the DevOps market, and companies investing in DevSecOps are Amazon, Capgemini, etc. Then we move to the intelligent process automation, where robotic process automation is basically the idea that anything that can be automated should be automated. Something that is more interesting is intelligent process automation. This allows robots to benefit the abilities of artificial intelligence, big data, machine learning, meaning that they can learn and improve over time. Companies investing in this intelligent process automation are AWS and Microsoft. Next is the tactile virtual reality, where the virtual reality immerses the user in a simulated environment. And next came the augmented reality, which is the enhanced version. It is created by the use of technology to overlay or join digital information on an image of something that is being viewed through a device such as a smartphone's camera. And Cisco forecasts that globally that this augmented reality and virtual reality traffic will increase 12-fold by 2022 in all fields of entertainment. And what is a tactile virtual reality means? We know that touch gives a deeper understanding of things which cannot be fully experienced by sight and hearing. This is where the tactile reality, virtual reality comes into play. It combines the use of several types of technologies, including sensors, advanced optics, etc., bundled into a single device that provides the capability to overlay the augmented digital content into your real-time space. Companies investing in this are Virtuix, Cisco, etc. Then we move to the big data analytics. We know that it is in the market for quite some time, and more businesses are adapting to it to go beyond the traditional ways of data storage and processing. New trends such as X analytics are used to find the solutions to challenges like climate change, disease prevention, and wildlife protection. And companies investing in big data analytics are Amazon, Netflix, Starbucks, etc. Next is the human augmentation, which basically means that taking the help of technologies like artificial intelligence and Internet of Things to not only enhance our daily lives, but also to take the human intelligence to the next level. That is, the studies have been marching towards helping people with disabilities using bionics, which is the application of biological methods and systems found in nature to the study and design of engineering systems and modern technology. And another one thing is prosthetic augmentation, which helps to restore the normal functions of the missing body part, and curing sickness by experimenting with genes. The promise here is to end the existing physical disabilities or prevent the injuries from happening at all. Now, companies investing in this are Neuralink, Google, Samsung, etc. Next, we move to the everything as a service, and which started with the cloud computing terms, software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service, meaning that there is a ready-made software platform for its development and infrastructure that could be provided through networks. And another one thing is the advanced of all these are everything as a service, which is not confined to only digital products. You can practically get everything from food to medical consultations without leaving from your home, and by utilizing the online services, hence the name everything. And the companies investing in this are HPC, Red Hat, AWS, etc. Next is the cyber security. With so many organizations undergoing huge digital transformations, awareness of presence of cyber attacks also continues to grow. Cyber attacks are not only for large organizations but also for small businesses. And there are two main approaches for this cyber security. One is the virtual dispersive network. It is a unique approach to cybersecurity where the signal is transmitted in quantum packets which can't be openly read without disrupting their content. Basically, no one can intercept data sent to you without introducing some noise in it. Next is the blockchain cybersecurity, where since human error remains to be the leading cause of data breaches, blockchain fully automates data storage and hence reducing the human element there. And also blockchain can be utilized in any sector. That is because any kind of digital asset or transaction can be inserted in blockchain from any industry. This technology is considered a reliable cybersecurity protocol due to its capability of indicating any foul play and providing certainty in the integrity of transactions. And the companies investing here are Cisco, Red Hat, and IBM. And next, then last is the artificial intelligence. Robust artificial intelligence implementation will certainly facilitate the performance, scalability, and reliability while delivering the complete return on investments. Then artificial intelligence engineering offers to make AI as a part of the mainstream DevOps process in software development, and than a set of that is separate or isolated projects. This solves the issues with my maintainability, scalability, and governance. And companies investing in this are AI are Google, Apple, Amazon, IBM.